What's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today we got another unboxing video. Hey guys, so today we do have a brand new unboxing video for you guys. Unfortunately, I did already unbox it, from like the FedEx packaging and stuff like that. But we do have a brand new unboxing. Let me know what you guys think about these pair right here. They did just release yesterday. I was able to get them off of Dick's Sporting Goods. Again, I freaking took another L on the sneakers app. I can't believe it either. How do you take an L on a shoe that apparently had like over, what do they say, like 130,000 pairs made, and I still took an L on the sneakers app? It's insane. I don't understand who or how they choose, the draw system, who they choose to win. I have no idea. It's a complete mess. It is what it is. But today, we do have that pair of shoes right here. Now, this pair of shoes, you can kind of get a sneak peek right here, is a little bit like on the iffy side, right? Like the resale value, there is basically no resale value at this point now. I think originally a couple weeks ago they may have been like at least like 260, 280 around that price point. So you could have made like a quick 80 bucks off the deal. However, right now I think they're sitting at only like 220. They dropped pretty significantly on the resale market. I think it's honestly just because of how many pairs were actually made of this pair of shoes. But that doesn't necessarily also indicate what kind of quality or craftsmanship this specific pair of shoes has. So as you guys can see right here, we did end up picking up the Midnight Navy Air Jordan 6 Retro. So as you can see right here, we got a size 12. Right there, you focus up. There we go, perfect. So, size 12, my personal size in Retro 6s. Let's open this bad boy up so y'all can see. There we go. Right there, boom. So, what's funny about these shoes is, even though they're not like super hyped up, the quality on these things are literally insane. So, let me put this away. Boom, right there. So sitting up with these shoes right here, the quality on these things is actually literally insane. I mean, nothing like, I just said insane, but it's nothing like super extravagant. It's just that the leather is so soft on these things. Like, let me see if I can move the insert. There we go, so you guys can see. This is the toe box. Okay, look, this is the toe box. Watch me push in. I mean, dude, these things are super buttery soft, especially for the toe box. I mean, the quality of the leather on here is really nice. Let me push that thing back in. All right, there we go. But yeah, I mean, look, you can see the side panels right here too. You got that tumbled leather going on. This side panel as well. And up close and personal, you got the Midnight tongue right here. This tongue. So I do have a pair of Bordeaux 6s and also the UNC 6s. So I do actually have a pair of UNC 6s as well. These things are DS, they're dead stock. These things are beautiful, right? This is a beautiful shoe. The quality on this is freaking butter as well. With the suede and everything. The leather, like the actual side panels of leather on the 6s, on the UNC 6s, are not as soft as these guys right here. Like, you can clearly tell these are a little bit stiffer. But as far as like the colorway, obviously these things are a classic. But what I wanted to show you here is like how this tongue, the Bordeaux 6 is like, I know a lot of people were saying like this is different, like how it has that Tar Heels type of like texture, and you can see behind here what I'm talking about, the different colors here. But the Bordeaux have the same exact thing as this. It's like a translucent, when you can see like the Bordeaux and the yellow hits behind it as well. This is just a solid midnight blue, and back here as well, solid. So there is no, different colors or whatever, but I honestly think that's a little bit cleaner. It's a cleaner look. See inside, size 12. Just trying to get all this to focus here. You really kind of see the quality here. That tumbled leather. Icy bottoms. Which I really think, honestly, kind of like, especially for a pair like this, really sets it off. It's about the same iciness as the UNCs as well. So it's about the same iciness as the UNCs down here with that white Jumpman. Going to this side of the shoe, you got that midnight navy hit of the Jumpman with that. It's a white, but it almost looks like a silver little booty like the I don't know what you even call that. It's like a sock, like that little sock booty thing right here. It actually unstraps, which is funny because I had no idea that it did that. But right here, let's see if I can do it. See? It actually unsnaps. A lot of people don't even know that. But yeah, it unsnaps in order for you to get, like, you know, if you're going to lace up your shoes, you can kind of lace it up a little bit easier. I thought that was pretty cool. I had no idea until I saw a video on these things a while ago. Somebody else had made. I was like, oh wow, that's actually a pretty cool, neat little idea. There we go. I snapped it back in. And then you have the little lace lock here with the midnight with that white Jordan Jumpman. Jordan going around the tongue right here. Let me know what you guys wear. Do you guys actually wear your lace locks with your shoes on them? Like, for instance, like the 5s. I got a couple pairs of 5s. It's such a bulky lace lock. I don't generally actually use that. I feel like it's a little bit cumbersome, to be honest. But yeah, man, these are really clean. Really clean. Just a solid colorway. And like I said, the actual quality of the leather and all that stuff on this pair in particular is really good. Yeah, going towards the back, you got that air underneath that midnight navy Jumpman. You got the white sock liner and also like that little pull tab or the spoilers, what some people call it, back here. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think about these things. You know, I honestly think I'm actually really happy that I ended up picking these things up. I know, you know, like I said, these things are apparently sitting at malls. You know, and apparently a lot of people were able to cop off the sneakers app. Like I said, I have no idea how I took an L, but I was able to get these off of Dick's. Pretty easy cop on there, to be honest. The queue, I think, the queue only lasted like 10 minutes, and then off the queue, you could literally just go in and buy the shoes until they sold out. So, but yeah, guys, what do you think about the Midnight Navies? Do you prefer the look of the Midnight Navies, or do you prefer the look of the UNCs? I know it's a different colorway, but it kind of is like obviously different color blocking, right? This is more of the Carmine color blocking. This is that standard Jordan 6 color blocking. But what do you guys actually prefer? Midnight Navies or the UNCs? Personally, the UNC color, I know a lot of people hate that right there. But the UNC color, man, there's something about it. You cannot beat it. You know what I'm saying? You cannot beat that color. But this one actually does have a midnight navy Jumpman right there on the little sock liner that goes over the laces. You can see right there, boom, midnight navy, and then midnight navy right there. It's pretty much the same color. I think that's pretty interesting. So anyway, yeah, let me know what you guys think, man. Are these things a cop? Were they a cop? Were you successful? Did you hit on Nike? Did you hit anywhere else? And other than that, guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys leave a giant thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you guys never miss another one of my videos. And that's going to do it for me, guys. My name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill, and I'm out. Peace.